Hello everyone, in today's video, we're exploring the top 5 best PC cases in 2024. We've done extensive research and testing to create a selection that suits various buyer preferences, be it affordability, performance, or specific use cases. For more details and the best prices, check out the links in the video description below. So, before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech updates. Let's get started with our number 5 pick. Our 5th choice is the NZXT H5 Flow. This PC case stands out as a mid-tower powerhouse. With its sleek black design and tempered glass panels, it combines style and function seamlessly. Its high-performance airflow system directs filtered air effectively through perforated panels, while a dedicated GPU fan ensures graphics card cooling. This case offers generous cooling support, accommodating radiators and pre-installed fans for efficient heat dissipation. Gamers will appreciate the ample GPU clearance, fitting most NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series cards. With user-friendly cable management features, the NZXT H5 Flow is a top choice for those seeking a high-performance, well-organized build. Next up, at number 4, we have the Bgears b-Voguish. This PC case is a versatile mid-tower option designed with gamers in mind. Compatible with a range of motherboard sizes, from extended ATX to mini IDX, it offers flexibility for different build preferences. Its sleek black design with a 5mm tempered glass side window panel provides an attractive showcase for your components. The case also supports water cooling, accommodating 240mm radiators in the front and top, along with a 120mm radiator at the rear. If you're a gaming enthusiast seeking style and functionality, the b-Voguish PC case is certainly worth consideration. Now, let's move on to our number 3 pick, the Corsair 4000D Airflow. This PC case is a gaming enthusiast's dream. With compatibility for various motherboard sizes, an innovative cable management system, and powerful cooling capabilities, it caters to high-performance PC builders. Its sleek design, tempered glass, and convenient front I/O panel make it a compelling choice for modern setups. The inclusion of Corsair's airguide fans ensures efficient airflow and cooling. Whether you're a casual gamer or a dedicated enthusiast, the 4000D Airflow offers the features needed for a top-tier gaming experience. Moving on to the runner-up, at number 2, we have Thermaltake S100. This PC case is a compact and stylish mini-tower that packs a punch. With its slim design and full metal construction, it's a visual stunner, while the 4mm thick tempered glass panel adds both durability and elegance. The built-in windowed power cover not only tidies up cable management but also improves airflow. Dust is kept at bay with magnetic fan filters on top and base. Supporting micro ATX motherboards and featuring pre-installed fans, the S100 offers a compelling solution for those seeking a compact yet feature-rich case for their build. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, our number 1 pick is the ASUS TUF GT501. This PC case is the go-to choice for gamers seeking a robust and unique mid-tower case. Compatible with extended ATX motherboards, it boasts a rugged design with a TUF gaming spatter pattern and a 4mm thick smoked, tempered glass side panel. Exceptional cooling is ensured with Aura Sync RGB illuminated fans and extensive mounting points. What sets it apart is its custom liquid cooling support, accommodating various radiators and water cooling setups. The vertical GPU expansion slot, traditional expansion slots, and convenient woven cotton carry handles make it a versatile and visually striking choice for gaming setups. So, there you have it, our top 5 best PC cases in 2024. If you found this video helpful, please show some love by hitting that like button, leaving a comment, and subscribing for more exciting tech updates. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next one.